Okay, this is video number 2 of a series that I'm creating for people who want to come and learn more from us, whether that be on a platform or even in person on Fuerteventura, and maybe even in Europe sometimes. Okay, so I'm going to record this video as who is this for and why it might matter to you. So if you're not quite sure if this is for you, please listen. And if you're still not sure, feel free to reach out to me on my WhatsApp. Okay, I'll put the link below. Now, you might not know some of the people who I'm talking about, and that's also okay. If you've watched my videos and you're thinking, what does that girl actually even do? I'm curious, send me a message. Okay, we have a chat. I only chat for about 5 minutes and then I'm like, want to go for a cycle ride. So don't worry, I won't take too much of your time. Time is precious to me too. Now, if you ever wanted to go, if you've seen Nick Peterson or Laurel Portier doing a live event in the USA and gone, oh, I really want to go to that, but I can't get to Hawaii in June this year. And I know how that feels. I'm like, I don't want to go this year. With the wars going on one way, I would go through Japan to get there, and going the other way is jet lag. So, I'm not going this year. But for those of you like me, when you actually look at the travel and time away and everything that's got going on and trying to get prepared for it, it just feels like too much. This might be the thing for you instead, because over the last couple of years, me and my son Dan, we've been learning directly from Laurel and Nick. We've been fortunate enough to spend time in shared sessions and live events with both Laurel and Nick. And what that's shown to me really clearly is this, that there's so much to learn from them. And it's different when you're with them, okay? They have so many things they would share with people depending on where that person's at. And we're all at different stages in our journey, and some things people don't even need. And that's something that's very important to understand. If you looked at Laurel's recent picture of her engine, I can't remember what she calls it anymore, but I got a picture of it that Dan drew on the whiteboard about 2 months ago. The thing is, you don't need it all. There's only some people who need that. And being able to strip away what you don't need is actually a big skill. And that's what we're going to help people do. And if you're in the situation where you can do it all and you want to do it all and you're there and you've done some of it already and you want to go to the next level and that's your beef, then we can help you set all those things up without you having to waste time and energy trying to work it all out, set it all up for you. And we recommend people coming here to do that particular thing so that there's nothing wasted, as in time, ad budget and different resources. Energy being one of the biggest ones, because negative energy is a killer when you're trying to do business. A lot of noise out there right now. So, if you're on this side of the Atlantic, you're in the UK, Europe, Africa, any of those sides, and you're already doing the work, you're already doing the videos, you see that it works, but you want to turn it into something practical, you want to do the next steps, you want to go through the next stuff, you want to create something that fits in with your life, you want to fulfill your dream, like I did. I moved to the Canary Islands back in 2010, and I love it here, got freedom. I only work a few hours a day. I've got enough coming in. I've got my future set up. If you want to do something like that, we can help you with that. So if you're not clear on what you want to do, but you kind of have a dream, we can help you with that too. So I create the series for you, a very specific type of person. So if it's not resonating, just go do something else right now. Okay, this is not for you. But this is for you if you're already recording your videos. You already understand Laurel's ecosystem. And you're already starting to think things like, could I actually do this for other people? Could I make this into something bigger for myself? Could I build something from this? And this is for you. It's not for beginners. Okay, I'll do something separate for that. But this is all about taking what you know already and then using it properly, the most efficient way, minimum effective dose. So that you can actually build something that works for you, whether that's using your time more effectively, whether making this into a part-time thing that you can then retire on later, or something you grow into over time because you've got something else going on. We never suggest you stop what you're doing until you've got the other thing coming in, okay? But we'll help you with that as well. So if that's where you're at, you'll already know that, okay? So just follow the series, and anytime you have questions, I'm popping my WhatsApp link below. Go straight to my phone and I will answer you when I'm not sleeping or not working or up mountains, etc. Okay? So yeah, I think that'll be it for today.